Today, let me show you our lead screw with anti-backlash nut. This lead screw diameter is 6.35 mm. Available lead from 1 mm to 25.4 mm. The lead screw material is stainless steel. The anti-backlash nut is with a spring and can eliminate the clearance between the lead screw and the nut. We can use these two parts of the nut to attach to the spring. Then install it on the lead screw. Nut material is POM. You can also get brass, bronze, pig nut material from us. Shaft end and nut shape can be produced according to your needs. Welcome to inquiry.